Okay, hello guys, this is Nishikant. Actually, this is the task 2 for Spark Foundations data science and business analytics intern. Okay, so task will be exploratory data analysis of the retail, right? So we have to just do the exploratory data analysis, and we have to draw some insights from the data. So let's go and perform the exploratory data analysis on the SampleSuperstore, right? So actually business problem is that as a business manager, we try to find out what are the weak areas where we can you have to work to make the more profit, right? Okay, so what are the areas that bring you the more profit, right? And what all business problems you can derive by exploring the data, right? By after exploring the data, what are the business problems, right? So let's go with the step by step. Okay, the step 1 will be reading data and performing some basic statistics, right? So let's go with the we can here I have just imported all the required libraries, okay, just like NumPy, pandas, matplotlib, cbun, and warnings for I don't want any warning in behind. Okay, so let's go and just here I have already just first I have to read the CSV file, right, where the sample store data is there. So I have already I'm just reading with the pandas read CSV function, okay, and I'm going with the dot head, right? So these are the columns, okay, ship mode, segment, country, city. So we can go and first check the info, right? We'll go with the df.info, and it is showing there are 9,994 entries, and we having a 13 columns, right? Here are the column names, ship mode, and the data types. It's an object, that is a string, segment, country, city, state, postal, region, category, and all, right? So these are the columns. We can go with the shape. We have to check the shape, that is we having a 9,994 rows and 13 columns. So we can go with the column names here, df.columns. These are the column names: ship mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, and all. Okay, so let's go with the first. We'll check with the missing data. If there is any missing data, okay, we have to check that. So we can go with the df.isNull.sum, okay, and we are seeing here there is no missing data in the data missing there are no null values, right? There is no missing data in the current data we are having, right? So there is no missing data. Let's go with the checking the unique values, okay, how many unique values per column, right? How many unique values are there per column? So let's go with the n unique, right? We can go with n unique. We having 4 shipping modes, we are having 3 segments, we are having 1 country, we are having 531 cities, we are having 49 states, we are having 631 postal codes, and all, right? These are the unique values for each column, right? Okay, so let's go with the df.describe. Okay, what describe will do, it will go with the analysis, right? What will be the minimum value, what will be the 25 percentile, what will be the 50 percentile, what will be the 75 percentile value, and what will be the max value, right? And on that basis we can go and say there are outliers or not. Okay, so here we are seeing there is a straightforward relations, right? There is no just outliers there. Okay, so there are no outliers, okay, because values are straightforward, right? There is no outliers here. Okay, so first of all we'll go and compare profit and sales. That will be our aim. Okay, we can go and compare that with the kernel density estimation plot, right? That is KDA plot, right? So we are here, I have just plotted the KDA plot here, right? And we are seeing here profit is more than that of sale, right? Because profit is already more, right? Because the blue line shows the profit, right? Profit is already more than that of sale, but there are some areas, okay, there are some areas like this one where we have to improve, right? Where we have to improve, okay, so profit will be increased, right? So there are some areas where profit could be increased. Okay, so let's go one by one. We go first, we will go with the univariate analysis, that is one variable. Okay, so let's go with the univariable and going with the distribution of each and every column, especially sales, and this is the first sales distribution. Okay, this is the sales distribution, and this is the box plot. Okay, this is the box plot for sales distribution. There are some outliers in the sales column. There are some outliers. Okay, let's go with the next. We'll go with the sales. They will go with the just distribution of profit, right? Profit distribution. So this is the distribution of profit. Okay, somehow, and we'll go with the box plot also, but and afterwards I'm just going with the distribution of the quantity, right? Quantity. So this is the distribution of quantity here. Okay, so by default, and here we see this quantity is right skewed, right? Quantity is right skewed here. Okay, and with some outliers. Okay, quantity is right skewed. Okay, and that is a positive distribution, right? What means right skewed? Because it's a positive, right? Positive distribution, right? Okay, by default we'll go with the distribution of discount also. Okay, the distribution of distribution of discount is here, right? Okay, and most of the discount is with over 0% and with 20%, right? Most of the discount is 0% and 20%, right? Okay, so let's go with the count plot of each column. Count plot here, he already plotted count plot for the category, for the segment, okay, for the ship mode and for the region, right? And for from category, just count of office supplies category is very good. It's very is highest segment in the segment. Okay, consumer segment, consumer segment is having more values. That is more count. Okay, in the ship mode, standard class is the highest value. That is having more counting, right? And in the region, west is the west region for the counting, right? Okay, well, afterwards we'll just go and count plot for the subcategory. We are having a subcategory also. Okay, we are having a subcategory too. So here is the subcategory plot, right? Count plot for subcategory. Okay, and afterwards I'm going with the count plot of state. Okay, count plot of state. Okay, as per state, counting as per state, and here we clearly see California is the state having highest number of orders, right? Because California is the state is the having a highest number of orders, right? Highest number of orders, and below that New York City. Below that, this is the New York City, right? New York City is having highest number of orders after California, right? Okay, so let's go with the count plot of just quantity, right? We are just plotting the count plot of quantity here. So quantity as per quantity 2 and quantity 3, they are the most common sold, right? Quantity 2 and quantity 3, they are the most commonly sold. Okay, here. So afterwards we'll go with the count plot of discount. Okay, count plot of discount, and we already see there discount actually 0 and most 0 discount orders or 0 discount orders are most common, means that sales value sales without discount is large than with discount, right? Sales without discount is large than with sales discount, right? Okay, so let's go with the analysis using pair plot of each column, right? So we'll simply plot the pair plot of whole DF, whole data frame. Okay, so here is the pair plot. Afterwards we go on the based on category, as per category, right? As per category. So category is furniture, office supplies and technology, right? So as per category there is a subplot. Okay, pair plot, right? So afterwards we'll go with the subplot based on region, as per region. Okay, so south, west, central and east. Okay, as per region we having the pair plot here as so based on segment, and by default on the based on region pair plot, we can just conclude most of the cells is in the east region, right? Most of the cells is in the east region, right? So east region is having more cell, right? Most of the cells is in the east region, and also profit goes somehow increasing in the east area as the sales increases. Okay, so based on segment, okay, based on segment, consumer, corporate and home office, right? So we can see consumer, this is the pair plot based on the segment, right? Afterwards we'll go with the heat map, because we want to see the correlation between the features. Okay, and just we can go with the heat map here, and it clearly say from heat map sales and profits are moderately correlated, right? Sales and profit is correlation between sales and profit is 0.48, right? That is moderately correlated, right? 0.48. Discount and profit are negatively correlated, right? Discount and profit, right? There is minus 0.2, right? They are negatively correlated, and discount and profit are quantity and profit are less moderately correlated, right? So let's go with this. Afterwards go with the bar plot. Okay, and we'll go with the count plot. We'll go with the count plot here. So count plot we see just first class having a more first class is having a more count. We can go with the count plot. Is not a count plot. It's a bar plot, right? It's a bar plot, right? We can go with the bar plot of profit versus shipping mode. So you clearly seeing here first class is having more profit out of all the classes, right? More profit. Okay, we go with the state wise deal analysis, right? State wise, I suppose state. Okay, here we are just plotting the state wise analysis here. Okay, df dot plot bar plot, we are just going with bar plot. Okay, so we are seeing, he clearly saying here top three state where deals are highest are California, New York and Texas, right? California, New York and Texas. Okay, so these are the and lowest is the Wyoming, right? So lowest is the Wyoming, lowest number of deal. Okay, so let's go with the and average number of deal per state is 204, right? Average number of deal. City wise analysis, we can go with the city wise also, and here is the city wise dealing. Okay, bar plot. So we can see the highest top three cities, top three cities are New York City, Los Angeles, and just we can go with the Philadelphia, right? Philadelphia. Okay, so an average deal, average number of deal per city is 19. Okay, so we go with, let's go with segment wide analysis for profit, discount and sell, right? Segment wise. So by default we can go group by segment, and we'll go with the sales, discount and profit, and we'll go with the mean value, right? So this is consumer, corporate and sales, home office, and sales value, the mean value, discount mean value and profit mean value, right? And right now we will go with the we can go with the pie chart, right? We can go with the pie chart here. So we can go with the pie chart here for segment wise analysis of sale, and we are clearly saying here consumer having 30% sale, right? Consumer just consumer segment is having 30% sale, right? And after that corporate segment is having 33% sale, home office having 34.5% sale. Okay, and discount, we can go with the discount also. Here we are giving the discount. What is the discount? Discount for consumer is 15.8, corporate 15.8 and home office 14.7, right? Profit, consumer for consumer segment profit is 15.8, for corporate segment 15.8, and for home office 14.7, right? Okay, okay, so let's go with this. Okay, now let's go with the state wise analysis of profit, discount and sell. Okay, so we here actually we can group by state. Okay, and we'll go with sales, discount and profit, and we can go with the mean value of each. Okay, sales, discount and profit for state, right? State wise. Here we go with the state wise profit analysis, right? Profit, we can go with the profit first, and we are just plotting the here. I just plotted up just with the profit. Okay, and we can see that from this just highest profit is this, that is Vermont, right? Vermont is having highest profit, right? Vermont state is having highest profit here, and lowest is the OVO, right? OVO is the lowest profit. Okay, so we can go with the state wise sale analysis, right? What will be the sale for state wise? Okay, actually here I just plot, I'm going with the pie chart one more time. Okay, I have just plotted the pie chart here. Okay, so this is the pie chart. Okay, and from this pie chart, I just concluded highest amount of sales is at Wyoming, right? That is L1.8, and lowest amount of sales is South Dakota, right? And that is 0.8. Okay, so let's go with the state wise discount analysis. What about the discount? Okay, we'll go with the bar plot one more time. Okay, bar plot, and we can go with the discount, and we are saying here from Illinois is at the top, right? This is Illinois. We can go with Illinois is for the discount. We can say just Illinois is at the top, right? This is Illinois, right? Illinois is the top for the discount, right? For the discount analysis. So let's do the city wise analysis. We go right now we saw state right, state wise, and we go to a city wise analysis, right? City wise profit, sales, and we can go with the discount. Okay, so let's go with the city wise, same group by city, and we'll go with sales, discount and profit, and we go with the mean value, right? So this is city, and we can go with head as per city and sales, discount and profit. I'm here just plotted this. Okay, with the bar plot, right? With the bar plot, and we are clearly seeing here. So high profit, what will be the high? I will go with the high profit. One more time I'm going to plot high profit. Okay, so because I want in just with the lowest to highest, right? We can high profit, we can df city dot tell 30, and we can go with the bar plot one more time, right? 30 last L as 30. So we can see here clear cities which has a profit is cities which has profit in positive, right? 30 cities, right? 30 cities whether we are going initially we are going with the dot head 30, right? Dot head 30, that is the top 30, and afterwards we are going the tail 30, like the tail there's the bottom 30, right? Bottom 30 cities, okay? And we can see the 30 cities have a highest profit having a profit in positive, right? 30 cities which has a profit in negative, right? So balance is pretty good here. So for the cities balance is pretty good, because we can go with the quantity wise sales profit and discount analysis as per quantity, okay? Same group by quantity and sales profit and discount, and we go the mean value of that, okay? So here I'm going with the just pie plot one more time, so pie chart one more time, and here we can conclude that the 13 number of quantity is high for sales and profit, okay? 13 is the quantity, number of quantity 13 is the high for sales and profit, right? Okay, category wise we can go with the category wise sales, discount and profit, right? Category wise, so by default we can go with the group by category and sales, discount and profit, and mean we can go with the mean value, and I just plotted the pie chart one more time, and from this pie chart, okay, we conclude that maximum sales and profit obtained in technology domain, right? And minimum profit is in furniture, right? So we go with the subcategory wise profit, sales and discount, okay? And here we can go with the same or group by subcategory, okay? And based on sales, okay, based on sales first we can go with the based on sales first for category subcategory. Based on sales we just plotted the pie chart one more time, okay? And here we can conclude from pie chart, okay? Here we can conclude from the pie chart copier is having high sales, after that machine have high sales, okay? Copier is having highest sales, okay? Copier based on sales, okay? Let's go with the based on discount. Same procedure with the pie chart, okay? And we can just conclude from this is binders, machines and then tables have a high discount, right? Binders, machines and then tables have the high discount. We can go with the binders, this is 14%. We can go with the machines, there's a 12% discount, and we can go with the tables 10.2% discount, right? So these are the three they having a high discount, okay? Based on profit, as per profit we can go with the I just plotted here on profit basis, okay? And we can conclude copier highest profit as well as sale, right? So region wise analysis we can go with the region wise, okay? So same they are group by region, okay? And here I just plotted region wise pie chart, okay? And west is having a profit, highest profit. West is having highest profit, okay? So as per ship mode analysis, ship mode wise analysis we can go with the ship mode wise. So we can go with the same group by ship mode, okay? And sales, profit and discount, okay? And we can go with the mean value here, and by default we can go and see, we can conclude here profit and discount have high in first class, right? First class they are having high profit and discount. Sales is high for the same day ship, right? Where whenever the shipping is on the same day they are having a high sale, right? Okay, so we can go with the last result and the conclusion. We can go with the result and conclusion, right? Okay, so by default we can go with the result and conclusion here, okay? By default, so profit is the more than that of sale, but there are some areas where profit could be increased, okay? This is the first conclusion. Profit is more than that of sale, but there are some areas we have to improve. Profit and discount is high in the first class, right? Okay, so sales is high for same day ship, okay? Same day ship sales is high. Subcategory copier high profit and sales. Subcategory blinders, machines and then tables have high discount, okay? Category maximum sales and profit obtained in technology domain, right? Next category minimum profit obtained in furniture domain, right? State wise Vermont is the highest profit state, even though low is OEO, okay? Segment wise home office high profit and sales, okay? Here is the top three cities, top three city where deals are highest: New York, Los Angeles and Philadelphia. Sales and profit are the moderately correlated, quantity and profit are less correlated, discount and profit are negatively correlated. Top three state with the highest values or highest deals: California, New York and Texas, okay? And Wyoming is the lowest number of deal, okay? So lowest number of sales is South Dakota, that is pointed, These are the conclusions and from this analysis. Okay, thank you.